Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a video of a 2014 MOFFETT M55 sitting here showing 1954 hours. This thing has a 10-foot mast, new tires all the way around, brick and block forks, and a backrest. Now if you want pallet forks, we can switch those out for free. Now ladies and gentlemen, we completely repainted this and refurbished it. We've taken off the roll cage, the seat, the diamond plating, the hood, the back door, the battery cover. Then what we do is paint those things separately and then put it all back together so you get a long-lasting paint job. So we also, when we refurbish these, we go in and check the hoses for leaks, wheels, motors, cylinders, and we pressure and leak test the hydraulic pump. Ladies and gentlemen, anything we find bad, we go ahead and replace. Same way with wearable items such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers. Anything out of spec is taken care of. That's your refurbishment. We're so confident in this refurbishment, what we'll do is give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that means, it's going to be in the condition I'm showing you in this video here today, or we're going to help you get it fixed. Now ladies and gentlemen, we also back up this engine for 30 days. Operational guarantee is very short term, ladies and gentlemen, but the engine warranty lasts for 30 days. Now all your fluids have been changed, you have new filters, you can hit the ground running. This has on the ground, you can loosen and tighten the carriage chains when you're going down the road. So when you have to hop on it twice. Now we're going to go ahead and show you the engine compartment. You have yourself a V2203 engine. There's your V2203 engine. Remember, we'll back you up for 30 days on that. You can take a look at a nice paint job all the way around. We're going to fire it up, show you a little bit of operations. Here's your mast going up and down. You have a Kubota that came to life. Here's your tilt. Side shift. You have your mast gears going in and out. Outriggers. We'll drive it around just to show you how nice everything's tight and in sync. Backup alarm's working. All your lights have been checked and replaced if need be. Go ahead and give us a call, 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.